Alright, let's play another game of Who's Under the Blanket? Who could it be? What's going on? Well, we can tell it's not Cole, and it's not Tickles. He's not either of those. Who's under the blanket? How many kittens are under the blanket? Yeah. Oh, somebody's about to emerge, maybe? Oh. Oh no, that's a toy that you're standing on. Oh, oh, oh! It's Ureka! Oh, who's the other one? It's not Lexi either. Considering how violent you're being, it's probably a sibling, isn't it? Couldn't it be a sibling? Oh, oh wow, Cole. Adjusted real fast. Yeah. Here we go. It's Ulani. Good. You're not being so spicy. A little bit spicy, I can hear that. Oh my goodness. Whoop. What just happened? Why did she do that to you? No more kittens. What are you guys doing? You'd be nice. She's smaller than you.